Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your active status on Facebook step by step. This will help you appear offline to your friends while you use the app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Active Status. Finally, tap the toggle switch to turn off your active status. And that's it, your active status is now turned off. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.